Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Fire TV how to restart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to restart your Amazon Fire TV, first method is to restart from the settings. So to do it, simply head over and open up your Fire TV home screen, then simply tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen or select the settings icon. Then next is to select My Fire TV, and then once that's done, among the options you'll find an option that says restart. Simply select that, and once you select that, you'll be prompted to restart dialog prompt. All you gotta do is select restart once again to confirm, and the Fire TV will reboot in about 1 to 10 minutes. Then method 2 is restart using your remote. Simply press and hold the center button and the reverse button for 5 to 7 seconds and release when the Fire TV restarts. And the next method is restart by power. If frozen, unplug the Fire TV from power, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and the Fire TV will restart automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.